Making Jamaican stewed chicken is pretty simple. With a few ingredients and once follow the step precisely, you will not go wrong. First, you want to get your chicken. So I have 2 pounds of chicken here that I'm going to cut in small pieces, and this is exactly how you want to cut your chicken whenever you're doing stewed chicken. Once you finish cutting the chicken, you're going to go ahead and clean your chicken properly. And if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video whenever I post. So once I finish cutting the chicken and cleaning, I'm just going to use some vinegar. You can use lime or vinegar and lime, whichever you prefer, and wash your chicken properly. And this is just to help remove any slime or to cut down the odor from the chicken. To season the chicken, I have some complete Maggi season. And here I have some chicken rub, paprika, pimento, and garlic. And you can use whatever season that you prefer. Just season according to your liking. Also, I'm going to use this gravy browning, so I'm just going to pour some on it, and the correct measurement will be in the description box below, so ensure that you check that out. Seeing that I put all my seasoning on the meat, I'm just going to rub it onto the meat and let it marinate overnight, or you can let it marinate for 1 hour or go right away and start preparing your brown stew chicken. So into a skillet, I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken in the pan, cover it. I'm not going to add any water because I want it to spring its own. Next, I'm going to prepare all the vegetables that I'm going to be using. So here I have 1 carrot, bell pepper, About 25 minutes into cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add some ketchup, and this is optional, but I like to add some ketchup to my brown stew chicken. Next, I'm gonna add all the vegetables that I cut up earlier. So I had the potato, the carrot, the onion, and the pepper, as well as some green onion. And at this point into the cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Once I add the water, I'm gonna go ahead, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you should definitely give it a try, and I am going to serve this with some white rice. Subscribe for more.